I'm just kidding. I had to do that. You guys know I don't drink, but oh, there. That better? Anyway, now that's a bottle of wine. I love cooking with beer. I love cooking with wine. I love cooking with alcohols because they're unique flavors. They bring out the flavor in the meat. So today we're going to be doing a, it is chicken in a creamy white wine sauce. You guys ready? All right, really quick, let me tell you, before we bring you in close and show you the ingredients, I've started a new series about how I've made it on YouTube. If you want to get started making it on YouTube, I got a playlist down below. There should be a link. You can check that out. Check out my merchandise. It's on the merchandise shelf down below. And let's get things started. Okay, so obviously the main attraction to this dish is the wine. It's going to be creamy with the heavy whipping cream. We've got some chicken bone broth, and I'm starting to change all my recipes from stock or broth to bone broth because I'm still healing from my surgery, and bone broth is great. It's got great healing properties. It tastes just like chicken stock. So this is chicken bone broth, flour. I got sprigs of thyme, salt and pepper, onion, butter. What is this? Oh, that's Italian seasoning. Just garlic and chicken. 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 Okay, everybody. First, we're going to put a little cold oil in a hot pan. Place your chicken in there. Skin side down first. You're going to just brown it 4 minutes on each side. Okay, while you're cooking, just start seasoning a little salt and pepper. You can season the meat ahead of time if you want. I like to do it in the pan. And then a little Italian seasoning. A lot of Italian seasoning, because I love Italian seasoning. Okay, now we got all the drippings in the pan. We've taken all the chicken out. Chicken's not fully cooked, but it will be. So we're going to drop our butter in. Ouch. Be careful when you drop your butter in so you don't splash hot grease on yourself. Now while that butter's melting, go ahead and start preheating your oven to 400 degrees because this is getting finished off in the oven. So now you're asking me, why do you put cold oil in a hot pan? Well, the myth is, and I haven't proven it yet, but the myth is that the skin is nothing's supposed to stick, whatever you're cooking, if you put cold oil in a hot pan. Well, I got some skin that's stuck on the side, but not on the bottom. So I'm not sure if it's true or not. All right, so let's put our onions in now. Break up our onions. So normally in the recipe, you won't put garlic in right away till this is all sauteed. But since I pulled my garlic out of the freezer, see how it's a little discolored? Yeah, I want to put it in so it defrosts and cooks up. So I'm putting my garlic in early, not according to the recipe. The recipe says put your garlic in once it's all sauteed. So I'm just going to put this in here. Give it some more time. Okay, our onions are all softened and almost done. We're going to throw in our thyme. We're going to throw in Italian seasoning. We're going to mix it up again. Finish that off. Let it cook just for a minute. Get those seasonings mixed in with the garlic and all the flavors working. Okay, it's time to put our wine in. This is going to be great for deglazing, getting all the goodness off the bottom. go in and scrape everything now. We got the wine in there. Okay, now we're gonna place our chicken bone broth in there, which you can see it cooled it down quite a bit. And then we're gonna add our flour. What you want to do is mix up the flour right away till it's not white anymore and get it all integrated in there. There we go. Takes on the color of the broth. Okay. Then we're going to throw in, this is what gives it its creaminess, the heavy whipping cream. We're going to mix this up. Then we're going to reduce it by probably a third to a half. It's all your preference. Then once we've done that, we're going to place the chicken back in. Now we've reduced it approximately 5 minutes. We're going to place the chicken back in. I'm going to put skin side up. Put our chicken back in. Okay, we're going to take this pan and put it straight into the oven. Make sure it's oven safe cookware. And realize it's going to be hot when we're done. So you want to grab it with pot holders, okay? 400 degrees for 35 minutes. There you go. And there it is, beautiful chicken thighs in a creamy white wine sauce. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. And it looks nuclear. Look at the steam coming off there. My wife hates when I moan. If I take a bite of something and I moan, she's like, dude, you're not like in love with it. Just relax, it's just food. But anyway, I am in love with this. The creamy white wine sauce. It needs more wine. Put the whole bottle in, I don't care. But it cooked up just nice. It's beautiful. This is a go-to dish. You gotta try this. All right, guys, I love you. Don't forget to give to Convoy of Hope. I'll have a link down below. That's who the show is supporting this entire year for feeding people, but it's around the world, not just America. So click the link below, give $1 if you can, give anything, please, because they're the first people that are out helping people on disasters. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.